Connect the power cord to the power supply. Connect the power supply to an AC power source. Verify the indicator is illuminated. Set the power switch to off. Connect the power supply to the printer. Prepare your supply media. Determine the media type by using the scratch test. Direct thermal media will show a dark streak. No ribbon needed. No streak means you have thermal transfer media and you will need a ribbon. Remove the outside wrap from the media roll to prevent contamination. Open the printer. Verify the media sensor is in the correct location for label media. Place the supply media in the roll holders. Remove the first 3 inches or 80 millimeters of media from the liner. Place the leading edge of the first label under the media guides. Close the printer. Set the power switch to on. When the printer has finished initializing, the display will show printer ready. Press the Select button under the Home icon. Use the navigation buttons to highlight the Language icon. Press Select. Use the up and down arrow keys to browse to your desired language. Press the Select button under the Home icon to complete language selection. Use the navigation buttons to highlight the Tools icon. Press Select. Navigate to Manual Calibration. Press the Select button under Start. The printer reports Load Backing. Printer paused. Press the Pause button to continue. The printer will calibrate the media sensor. When the printer reports Reload All, continue, press the Pause button to continue. The printer will feed and measure several labels. The display will report Ready when done. Remove the excess media. Return to the Home menu. Open the printer. Install the empty take-up core on the spindles. Remove the wrapper from the supply ribbon. Release the ribbon leader. Install the supply ribbon on the spindles. Pull the ribbon leader up past the printhead and attach to the take-up core. Wind the take-up spindle towards the rear of the printer until you see the black area of the ribbon. Close the printer. Press the Pause button. Press the Feed button to feed a label. To print a test label, start with the printer off. Press and hold the Cancel button while setting the power switch to on. When the status indicator shows green, release the Cancel button. When the printer has finished initializing, a configuration report will automatically print. Printer configuration. Network configuration. To connect the host interface, set the power switch to off. USB interface. Serial interface. Wired Ethernet. Parallel interface. Install the software and run Zebra setup utilities. The software will prompt you when to switch power on to complete installation.